Introduction to Python output formatting.
Formatting output in Python helps you present data clearly and professionally. Whether you're showing results, debugging, or creating user-friendly messages, using the right techniques matters. This overview focuses on two powerful tools, the versatile print function and advanced f-strings. Mastering these will help you display information the way you want, every time.
The basics of print statements.
The print function is Python's standard for displaying messages or results. You can print text, numbers, or variables by listing them inside the parentheses, separated by commas. For example, print hello world 5 shows two items separated by a space. By default, print adds a new line at the end, but you can customize this with the end argument.
Introducing f-strings in Python.
Python's f-strings, introduced in version 3.6, make it easy to insert variables directly into strings. Just prefix your string with an f, then use curly braces to include variables or expressions. For example, f, the answer is answer. F-strings not only keep your code readable, but also allow direct calculation inside the curly braces.
Advanced formatting with f-strings.
F-strings offer advanced formatting options. You can control number of decimal places, align text, or pad strings easily. For example, f pun price 2f shows a number with 2 decimal places, while f name greater than 10 right aligns a name within 10 spaces. Explore format specifiers to produce precise, professional-looking output.
Tips for clean and effective output.
To make your results stand out, combine print and f-strings thoughtfully. Use descriptive labels, manage spacing with custom separators or alignment, and apply formatting for numbers when needed. For more complex output, like tables, use loops and f-strings together. Practice these basics, and your Python output will always be clear and effective.